Can blood biomarkers improve traumatic brain injury detection? Imagine being able to tell if someone has a brain injury just by testing a small blood sample. That could change how we diagnose and treat traumatic brain injuries. Traumatic brain injuries happen when a sudden blow or jolt causes damage to the brain. They can range from mild concussions to severe injuries that cause long-term problems. Detecting these injuries quickly and accurately is important for proper treatment and legal claims. Traditional methods like computed tomography scans and magnetic resonance imaging scans are helpful but not perfect. They sometimes miss subtle brain injuries, especially in mild cases. That is where blood biomarkers come into play. These are specific proteins or molecules released into the bloodstream when brain cells are damaged. Scientists are studying biomarkers like glial fibrillary acidic protein and ubiquitin C-terminal hydrolase L1. These two have received approval from health authorities to help identify brain injuries in mild cases. They can tell if there is brain damage even when a scan looks normal. This can help doctors decide if a patient needs further testing or treatment. Other biomarkers like S100B, neurofilament light, and total tau are also being researched. They can help predict how severe the injury is and what the patient's recovery might look like. These blood tests are especially useful when symptoms persist but scans show no clear damage. They can also be used over time to monitor how the brain heals. From a legal point of view, blood biomarkers could provide objective proof of brain injury after an accident. This scientific evidence can support injury claims and help establish how serious the injury is. It can also help show when the injury happened and how it relates to the incident. However, these tests are still being developed and are not yet used everywhere. Currently, they mainly help rule out serious injuries in mild cases. More research and standard procedures are needed to make these tests reliable for all types of brain injuries. In summary, blood biomarkers are promising tools that could improve how we detect and manage traumatic brain injuries. They offer a more precise way to confirm brain damage, especially in cases where symptoms are mild or unclear. For personal injury claims, they can provide solid scientific evidence that supports the injury's existence and severity. While they are not yet a complete replacement for traditional imaging, they are a helpful addition to the diagnostic process.